welcome back to Rina Mix TV Vlog. Ito ang aming pusa. Pusa na priggy. Ang laki ng kanyang tiyan. Malapit na yan mga anak. She's so tired. She will become a mama sanggaha. Mama sanggaha, are you tired? See, look at her. How she sleep. Maybe this month or next month she will bring her babies. So we don't know, we don't have idea how many babies she will have. But her baby looks like beautiful. She is beautiful, mom. Beautiful, mom. Are you beautiful? Are you beautiful, baby Sanggaha? Huh? Are you beautiful? Are you excited? Are you excited for your baby? Huh? Oh, you are so beautiful. So cute. So cute. Ang ganda-ganda naman ang pusa namin. She's so beautiful. Okay, see you next time. I will upload again next video once she bring her baby out. Bye, see you next time.